What happens when you keep adding resistors in parallel? Does the total resistance increase or decrease? This question comes all the time in exam. How does the total resistance change when more resistors are added in parallel? In today's video, you will know the reason why. Let's dive in. For the circuit above, we have 6 ohm resistor, which is resistor R1, and resistor R2, which is 3 ohms. And this is a parallel network. So for us to find the total resistance, the standard formula for calculating total resistance in a parallel circuit is given by 1 over ROT, which is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over what? R2. Here is the standard formula. But we know R1 and R2, so let us substitute it into this equation. So we have that 1 over ROT, which is equals to 1 over R1 is 6 ohms plus R2 is 3 ohms. So at this point, we will take the LCM, and the LCM here is 6. So by taking the LCM, we have that 6 will go into 6 how many times? 6 1 times, and 1 times 1 is 1 plus 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. So our answer will be 1 plus 2, which is 3, divided by what? 6. And for us to make ROT, and now we will have that 1 over ROT, which is total resistance, will equal to what? 3 over what? 6. And for us to make ROT, the subject of the formula, which is total resistance that we are looking for, we will need to what? Take the reciprocal of the word right hand side. So the reciprocal of the right hand side will be ROT. For us to find ROT, we will take the reciprocal of what? The right hand side, which will be equals to 6 over what? 3. Which 6 divided by 3 will give us what? 2 ohms. So this is the answer, 2 ohms. So when the 10 resistor is being added to the circuit, what happens to the total resistance? Let us add the 10 resistor to the network. So it will be like this. Let us call here 2 ohms. When 2 ohms is added to this parallel network, what will be, how will the total resistance behave? So now at this point, when we add 2 ohms, adding as the what? RO3, which is equals to what? 2 ohms. So now the total resistance will be 1 over ROT, which is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over what? R3. So at this point, we can substitute the value of what? The individual resistance, which is 1 over ROT, will equals to 1 over what? 6 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over what? 2 ohms. We need to take the LCM of the right hand side. So the LCM of the right hand side is 6. And 6 will go into 6 how many times? 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 will go into 6 how many times? 3 times 3 times 1 is what? Is 3. So the answer here will be what? 6 divided by what? 6. So therefore, the total resistance will now equal to what? 1 ohms. Are you seeing how when we add the 10 resistor, the total resistance have decreased? Before it was 2 ohms, and now it is now what? 1 ohms. Okay, let's add the 4th resistor, which is the resistor R4, and let us see how the total resistance will behave. Here will be the resistor what? R4, which is equals to what? 1 ohms. So when 1 ohms is being added to the network, how will the total resistance behave? We will still use the same formula, which is when adding what? Adding there is the what? R4, which is equals to what? 1 ohms. So the total resistance, the formula will be R1 over ROT will be equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over RO2 plus 1 over RO3 plus 1 over what? RO4. So at this point, 1 over RO3, which is the total resistance, will now equals to 1 all over 6 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over what? 1. Let me partition the board. So at this point, we can take the LCM. So the LCM here is what? Is 6. So 6 will go into 6 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 will go into 6 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 will go into 6 how many times? 6 times, and 6 times 1 is 6. So now 1 over identity, which is total resistance, will now equals to 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So it will be 12 divided by 6. So for us to find identity, which is the total resistance, we will take the word, we will invert the word, the sign. But here 6 can go into 6, it will be 1, and 6 can go into 12, it will be what? 2 times. So at this point, to invert the sign, it will be 1 over what? 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5 ohms, which is ROT will now equals to 0.5 ohms. And you see, just 4 resistors, and the total resistance has decreased towards 0.5. Here is the word conclusion. In a parallel network, adding more resistors in a parallel network always decrease the total resistance. And the second point is that the total resistance of a parallel circuit is always less than the smallest value of the resistor in the network. The smallest value of this network is 1 ohms. And the total resistance here is 0.5. Are you seeing that 0.5 is less than the smallest value of the resistor? And also at this point, we got 2 ohms. Are you seeing that was when we have 2 resistors in parallel? Are you seeing that 2, which is the total resistance, is less than the smallest value of the resistor in this network? So in a parallel circuit, the total resistance is always less than the smallest value of the resistor in the network. This is the end of the video. If this video is helpful, do well to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section if my explanation was helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.